If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Let's start to make bakery-style burger buns without oven. 2 cup flour, ½ cup milk, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 pinch salt, 2 tablespoon ghee oil. Mix it well. To pinch baking powder. Mix it well. 2 cup flour. Add all the mixture and mix it well. One egg on room temperature. Add warm milk as you need and mix it well. For 10 minutes. Make a soft dough. Grease with oil. Brush with oil. Cover for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, dust some flour. Cut into 4 equal pieces. Take a slice and make perfect ball. Like this. Brush with oil. Cover it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, brush with egg yolk. Garnish with sesame seeds. Preheat for 10 minutes. Bake for 30 minutes on low flame. After 30 minutes, brush with melted butter. Perfectly done. So soft and perfect bun.